Sacrifice na maghintay sa ating order.
Must believe me or else.
Maya-maya, dumating yung dalawang babae. Kaya sabi ni Arya, Ma'am, there is a man here. Susuka siya, ayaw na niyang kumain. Tapos, sobrang tamlay na niya. Awa ko sa anak ko eh. Bigla siyang tumamlay. Hindi na siya makakain tapos nanginginig. May mga taong masasama. Na-experience niya kung gaano kagulo ang mundo. Good morning! Wait. You have to open the door here. Oh. Ay. Naglaba po tayo kahapon. Ayan, yung mga nilabhan natin. Hi, good morning! Arya is making like a breakfast in bed. Uy, still sleepy. Sleepy. Hi, baby ko! Good morning, Arya and Maisie namin. Palanggain ni mama ko. Ang palangga ni mama, mabait na bata. Mabait, smart na bata. Super kind, thoughtful, and smart, intelligent, and what else? God-fearing. Always say positive to your children so they will grow up positively also. Like my baby ko, Arya ko. Very thoughtful, very loving, kind, smart, polite. Are you? Are you polite?
Yes.
Oh. Let's look at the weather outside. Ano bang nangyari dito? Oh, walang rice. Walang sun. Ay! Ayun, oh, meron ding nagsasampay doon siya, oh. Sampay-sampay din siya. Mga sampayan dito. Nakatakot, no? Yung iba kasi. Sa labas sila Wait, baby ko. Ayan, oh. Sa labas sila, nagsasampay. Kung mahulog kaya, yun, no? Taas din, oh. Yeah? Good morning! Hi! Sa wakas, ay, pumayag na po si Arya na magsakay ng elevator. Naka-elevator po tayo ngayon. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, mabigat yung aking dala dahil meron po tayong basura. Ayan. Secret. Over here na daw. Okay? Oh no, not yet. It's one. Okay. Go. Wait. One or I don't know. I just press the A and B. You okay? You're not scared anymore?
I am.
You are? Yeah. Why? So yan, we're here now. Come on. Wait. Our basura. Babe. Alam niyo na po yung routine natin. Alam niyo na po kung saan po tayo pupunta ngayon. Ay, ayan na oh. Yung hint natin, meron po siyang daladalang. Oh. Ayan. Kung natin gagawin ay maghanap tayo ng... Wait, where should we throw this? Basurahan.
First need to go to get some dumpling and then.
Ah, dumpling daw. Hey babe, where you go, baby?
Bazaar.
Bazaar first. Hay nako, mag-squish na naman siya. It's okay kasi hindi ko po nakita ito. No, in the right side. Come. I think in the right side. Sa Germany kasi wala po yung hinahanap niya na dumpling. Ayan, nakita na po namin yung bazaar. Here, right. Right. Go. Hi.
You need to get a needle.
Ito yung hinahanap niya po, yung mga dumpling daw kasi ang hinahanap niya is gold. But there's no gold. Tingnan niya yung color. White and yellow mostly.
There's no gold.
Yeah. Here you can find other colors. Like here at the back. Yellow. Green. Yellow. Yellow. I think no gold, baby. You can... Oh, violet. You'll find it only online, I think so.
No, there has to be something.
Oh.
Banana.
Yan na siya. Ang dami niyang pin, ano. So, you have to choose only two, please.
Why two?
Which one you like?
But I like all of them.
Why you like it all? You tell me first why you like it all. Choose only 2, please.
No.
9. Put it back here. Put here.
Mama, like these, this, and this. I can't pick two.
Okay, only 3. That's the last.
Okay, then no.
Yeah, that one you can put back. Why? Hi. So, wait, where is the then? Where we go then? You tell me. 3.
Atenció,
1, 2.
no vagis a les vies sota cap concepte.
7, 8.
Barceloneta.
Nah, this is the Barceloneta.
Atenció, no vagis a les vies
2,
por ningún
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we go. Let's go. Nandito na po kami sa station. Go. You go there. Straight ahead. Best day ever daw. Ay, ang dalagang gamay. Dalagingging naman bata namin. Uy. Yeah.
I think
You think?
in here, like every single squishy I want, it's in Barcelona.
Go. You said earlier. Go, babe. I thought we were going to the beach.
Are you going to the beach and buying some chocolate? But you said, okay, let's go Barcelona.
Nakababa na po kami sa tram or sa train. Diretso po kami dito. Store na naman. Naghahanap na naman siya ng puppet. May puppet siya na hinahanap. Wala kasi doon. What is this? Ah, this is for drawing. Drawing or something. Grabe naman ang ganda dito. Malaki dito. Here lang gain. Oh, there's something here. Come.
Oh my god, it's axolotl!
Ah.
It's axolotl.
Aww.
This is a mini book.
Yeah, that's mini book. Oh, notebooks lang ka. Drawer for journal. I will go in that side, yeah? So cute, babe. Cute naman. Hindi pala masyadong mahal dito. Laka. Uy. You go to that side. Ganyan ko. So, tell me what you got. And why should we buy that? So, you have to choose only 1, 2.
No, not 1 or 2. That's not much.
Hey, then how much then?
4.
Let's look. Which 4? Whoa, that's cool.
This one.
Mm-hmm. And then, makakadami niyang dinala. Sabi ko mamili ka, tapos pagpilian natin, maybe 2. What is that? Rainbow Magic Board. Ay, nakalabas na po kami. Salamat. Salamat, Lord. Nakalabas na kami. Ito po yung nabili niya. Ang dami. Oh, you know ko,
I
anak.
said I want bus. And even my classmates from kindergarten.
They know capybara? Ayan po, marami na. Oh, ginoo ko. Hindi na po kami papasok sa mga market, sa mga shopping area. She got capybara bag. And I don't know what is capybara bag. She always says capybara, but I don't know what is that. And she got... Oh my God. Oh, what is that?
It's a front.
Wait, we need to go. Uy, mamaya ka na mag-open. Oh, okay. Then you can throw that. You can throw that. Oh. You throw this one.
Huh?
You throw this. The card. Yeah, both of that. Yeah. Put it here and then we can use it there. Come, they are looking to us, but please na ba? You bring your this one, come. Yan siya, ginoo po ni bataan ni. Yeah, and this one, this. Yeah, that's right. Okay, go. Woo. Si Capybara. Why you let me do? Oh my God. Okay, go.
Si Kapitan mo.
Here on this side. So ngayon, mag-backtrack tayo dito mag-taxi. Kaya ubos na yung pera pang taxi natin. Binili natin ang toys mo. Yeah. Okay, walk slowly. Ay, ginoo ko ng bataan eh. Wow! Oh.
And then you can erase it.
Eh.
Look. You draw.
Yeah.
You put this away.
Wow!
Work. Like this. It works.
Dahil marami po tayong binili para sa bata na to. Sakripisyo po siya. Hindi tayo mag-restaurant. Sacrifice na maghintay sa ating order. Kahit napakadaming tao. Ayan po. Whoa. Ayan. Ginoo ko. Oh. Size size. Size. Ang
2.99.
66. This kaput din. Ayan. She's,
66.
yes.
Is that us?
She is patiently waiting for her order. Ito po sa Burger King. Ang dami-daming tao. No, I don't have. It's all for you.
Look, there's something great. You must believe me or else.
Nag-stop kami at lumabas po kami agad kanina. Alam nyo. Okay, baby ko. Nakawa ko sa anak ko ba? Okay, baby ko. Can you wear that? Nakawa ko sa anak ko kasi. Alam nyo kanina, di ba? Pinakita ko sa inyo yung saan kami kakain sana doon sa may Burger King. Tapos habang kumakain po kami sa left side namin, may dalawa po na mga puti, mga foreigner na kumakain din. And then sa side namin, meron ding isang parang family din. Tapos sa right side namin ay umalis na po yung kumakain. And then sa left side, hindi ko alam na umalis ba sila or hindi. Kasi ang dami-daming tao, di ba, nakita yung kanina. Tapos kinuha ko yung order namin. Pero dinala ko tong bag. Pinaupo ko lang si Arya. Kasi malapit lang naman, di ba? Nakita yung kanina, malapit lang. Sabi ko, dito ka Arya, upo ka. At huwag kang umalis. At dito yung bag mo. So yung mga toys niya. Pero yung bag ko ito, talagang dinala ko. Alam nyo, pagkuha ko sa order habang kumakain kami, no, tapos maya-maya dumating yung dalawang babae. Sabi nila kung may nakita ba kami na bag daw na brown. Sabi ko hindi ko nakita. Pero nung pagkuha ko pala sa aming order, bumalik ako kay Arya. Pagbalik ko kay Arya, sabi ni Arya, "Mom, there is a man here sitting in front of me." Sabi ko, "Asan na yung man?" Sabi niya, umalis na daw. Tapos sabi ko, "Why he's sitting there?" So, yun lang yung nasa isip ko. Maya-maya, dumating yung dalawang babae nung nasa left side namin ng mga foreigner. Sabi nila, "Nakakita ba kayo ng brown na bag?" Wala. Sabi ko, "No." Sabi ko, "Ikaw, Arya?" Kaya si Arya man yung the whole time makaupo, no. Sabi niya, "Oo. Kinuha ng lalaki." Wala, uy. So, pag sabing ganun, kumakain si Arya ng kanyang ice cream. Alam mo, nasusuka siya. Naawa ko sa anak ko. Awang-awa ko sa mukha niya kasi nasusuka siya ba? Hindi na siya makakain. Nasusuka siya. So, kasi naisip niya, hala, ninakaw, naka-experience siya ng masama. Siya mismo naka-experience. So, naawa ko sa kanya na yung feeling niya na ganito ba? Nasusuka siya, ayaw na niyang kumain, tapos sobrang tamlay na niya. Nawala yung gana niya na kanina, grabe ka. Sobrang saya niya kanina, no? Tapos ngayon, nawala na yung gana niyan. Nawa ako na sa ganitong edad na nakakita siya ng ganun ba na eksena. Gusto ko siyang papunta lang sana kami ng beach pero pinapakalma ko muna siya. Kaya sabi ko ko siya. Kinarga ko siya papunta doon. Tapos nagpahinga lang kami dito kay sobrang bigat man. Buyag lang pero naawa ko sa anak ko Bigla siyang tumamlay. Hindi na siya makakain tapos nanginginig. Sa edad niya na 6 years old, na experience na niya ba na may mga taong masasama. Na experience niya kung gaano kagulo ang mundo. Kaya nakakaawang bata na to Very nice. Dito na kami sa dagat. At alam nyo, may purpose pa na kung bakit tayo nakapunta doon sa store. At nagbili nitong mga laruan niya. Kasi she feel better na meron siyang mga nilalaro. Hi baby ko, how are you? How's my baby ko? Yan siya She feel better now because she has a lot of toys and she gonna show to us. What toys you got, baby ko?
I got.
Can you hear lang guys? I cannot see it. Yeah, what is that?
It's a ruler. And
Ruler.
look.
And she can use that for her
This
school.
is kind of ruler that's kind of cool actually.
Oh, wow. A roller that you can also like armband. Yeah, or a bracelet. Wow.
I'm gonna wear this first.
Mhm.
And then I got clippers here.
Buti lang pala nagbili tayo nito. Mhm.
So,
Oh.
this is the first one. I already showed you this, but it's very squishy. This is my favorite toy.
The butter one. The butter.
And this is an ice cube needle. I need a ice cube needle, yeah. Okay. And then I got my puppet.
Mhm.
Wait, I'm gonna show you the loud noise.
There's a noise.
3, 2, 1. That's the waves right now. Big one. Guys, you know what this is?
No. What is that?
I don't know. And then I got this one. I forgot how it's called. That's before. I don't know why is it like this. Actually, you could cut here.
Mhm.
And then I got a dumpling. It actually has no more face
Yesterday.
because we
You show
washed
it already.
Wait, I gotta close you guys. And I got a tube. A tube.
Wow.
A tube. It's like a unicorn tube. It's so long. If it's like this, then it's so long.
Yeah.
Okay, and then it's gonna be the last one.
The biggest. Oh my god.
Look, it can turn very big.
Oh.
And then this one. Big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small.
Ayun lang, may mga laruan siya.
That's it for today. Wow. First, small ones are gonna come first.
Hey, I'm so happy na masaya ako ba na naglalaro yung anak ko ngayon. Kanina, grabe. Mula doon, Grabing lakad ito no, mga 10 minutes yung lakad natin, karga ko pa din siya. At nanginginig pa din siya. Oh yeah. You already showed it yesterday. So I have to give more time sa kanya muna. Dito lang kami sa beach. At saka, you have to be sure na hindi tayo mananakawan kay yung gamit namin talagang dito lang talaga yan siya. Ako yung manunood lang sa kanya mamaya.
Hello. Up in the sky. 6
Ikaw ha? Wait, B. How?
Careful.
Up high. Down low. Up in the sky. 6, 7,
Hey.
8, 9. Will you be mine?
Ala, barya. Pauwi na po kami. Parang hindi na siya makita, ano? Buyag. Hoy! Hoy! Laka!
Hello.
We are home na po at tayo na po para mag-relax. Grabe. Grabe yung kapagduda natin dahil ganyan talaga nung kapag dagat, mapapagod ko talaga. And tonight is our last night here.
Oh,
Huling gabi na po. Huling gabi na po namin dito.
so excited
For
to see my stuff again.
to go back home in Bonn to see Tia.
Yeah.
So do you like to stay here in Barcelona? What?
I like the beach actually.
Oh, alam ko. I know because she doesn't wanna go home.
No, I want to go home.
She wanna stay in the beach for the whole time.
Oh my God.
We badly needed lotion kasi
Because
napaka-dry.
last time my feet was super dry.
Yeah.
It was white because of the sand.
It's normal na if you go to the beach,
I know.
you will always have a dry skin. Why is it?
Mama, I think it's too much.
I am sorry. Pasensya na po kayo kung hindi ako nag-vlog nung nasa dagat na tayo kasi I give time to Arya. Kasi kailangan na lang siya makapag-isip dahil nasa minsan natulala siya. Maisip niya yung nangyari ba nang dingdingin siya. Kaya naawa ko sa bata. Ay, natrauma siya pa. Are you okay, baby ko?
Yeah. That's enough. That looks actually like
Sorry.
it looks like that's a mole. Look,
Oh yeah, I think so.
I have now 2 moles.
Yeah. Can I have a little more for my
Here.
face? For my face.
Yeah, here.
Should we turn off the light? Yesterday was nice, right? So, it's better now?
Praise the Lord.
Yes, thank you, Lord. And update sa aking mukha. Alaka, grabe talaga.
I'm just singing a song.
Oh, update to my face lang. Kain ko, I will show to them my skin. My face skin. Nasunog po talaga yung aking skin, oh. Grabe ka dry. Ang gamit ko ngayon ay cream ni Arya. Kaya kung ang cream na nagagamitin natin is strong na, baka mas lalong masunog yung skin natin. Kaya okay lang po yan. Yeah, it's time to relax now. Ay, they can see my face. So, it's now time to relax and kanina hindi talaga ako nag-vlog kasi I give time to my daughter. I even swim. Sobrang bigat ng aking pakiramdam na yung anak ko naka-experience na meron na trauma kanina. Nakita ko talaga na napakalungkot niya, nawala yung gana niya sa pagkain at saka nasusuka siya ba. Hindi niya inakala na may mga totoo talaga na masasamang tao. Kaya sobrang bigat din ang pakiramdam ko na ayaw ko sana may experience ng anak ko kasi napakabata pa niya. Pero ganun talaga yung mundo, no? Napaka-unfair na talagang hindi lahat ng tao ay mabuti. So, ganun talaga. We have to relax now because tomorrow we have to go early. Our flight
7.
is... Yes, our flight is 8 in the morning. Oh, 8 or 9. My goodness, napakaaga. So, we have to go from here around 6 or 7. Oh.
Do you know 6, 7?
Wait. Okay, so thank you so much. Is it good that it's 6-7 or is it bad?
It's actually not allowed to say.
Oh, that's allowed to say. Okay, why you say it? So okay,
Then why did you say it?
I didn't know about it. Okay, so we have to say good night. Do you feel good today, Ariako? I mean, you enjoy the beach?
Yeah.
Oh, you enjoy the time with mom?
Yeah, but it was cold to watch.
Yeah, the water is cool. Yeah. Magpapaalam na po kami. Maraming salamat po sa iyong patuloy na panonood. Thank you for watching.
And please watch more, please subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Peace.
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers.